Are you ambitious about taking the initiative to build a process-centric organization to help your people organize their everyday tasks, enable them to make data-driven decisions, enhance their collaboration, and many more to make them efficient? Then business transformation using technology is so critical. One possible solution can be Workhall, a modern, intuitive, no-code platform built for business users to create enterprise-scale software without the help of programmers. With Workhall, configure your SOPs and processes as flows to streamline work. Manage your master data along with flows. Configure reminders. Let people create flexible task flows and surveys. Send data to or from external sources. Create meaningful dashboards, reports, and insights. Adhere to compliance, and many more features to digitally transform your business. Ready to experience the power of Workhall? Visit workhall.com to learn more and start transforming your business.